Good morning, children. Welcome back again. Children, now let us continue the revision of Lesson 7, Microsoft Word 2007. Children, today we will do the revision of creating a new document, typing the text, saving a document, closing a document, opening a document, exiting MS Word and printing a document. Now children, let us take the first point, creating a new document. This is the option of children, new. Children, how to create a new document? First you have to click on Office button. This is the Office button, children. You have to click it here. Click on Office button and select the new option. This one. First option is new option. You have to click the new option. Children, when you will click on Office button, these menus will appear here, will come here. You have to click on or you have to select new option from here. When you will click on new option, the new document dialog box will appear. And you have to select the blank document option from the blank and reset section and click on create button. Children, when you will click on create button, the new document opens. Children, the new document will open by the name of document 1. Next is your typing the text. How to type the text here? Children, this is your document area as I have told you before also. So children, you have to type the text here. So children, what you have to do? You have to start typing the text. And what you will find that the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Children, do not press the enter key when you reach at the end of the line. If you want to start a new line, children, only then you have to press the enter key. Next is saving a document. How to save a document? Children, again you have to click on the Office button here. When you will click it, options will come here. Select the save option from here. First time you are saving the document, then what will happen? The Save As dialog box will open. Now I am showing you. Children, this is your Save As dialog box. You have to type the file name here. Look here, children. This is your file name text box. You have to type the file name here, and this is your save button. Okay. Now after typing the file name here, click on save button. Your file will be saved. Your next point is closing a document. You want to close your file. You want to close your document, children. Then children, again you have to click on Office button and select the close option from here. This is your close option, children. Click it on the close option. When you will click on close option, your file will be closed. Next is children, opening a document. Children, you want to open any old file. Then what you have to do? You have to again click on office button. When you will click on office button, you have to select the open option from here. When you will click on open option, children, the open dialog box will appear. Then there you have to select your file. Which file you want to open. Select your file and click on the open button. That file will be open. Children, next point is exiting MS Word. Children, once you have finished the work, you need to exit the MS Word application. So again you have to click on the office button here, children. After clicking on the office button, you have to select the exit Word button. Here, children, this is your exit Word button. Children, you have to click it here. What will happen when you will click on exit Word button? You will exit from MS Word application. Next is children, printing a document. Children, to print any document, again click on the office button. Options will come here. Then here is your print option here. You have to select the print option. Children, when you will select the print option, when you will click on print option, the print dialog box will appear. Children, look here, this is your print dialog box. Okay, and here page range is here. Option is all, current page or the page number. Here number of copies you have to define. How many copies you want. You want the current page, click on the current page. If you have typed 4 or 5 pages, you want the printout of all the pages, then click on all. And or particular page you want, suppose 2 or 5, then write here 2 and 5 here. And then click on OK button. Your document will be printed. This is the function of printing a document. Children, the shortcut to print a document is Ctrl plus P. You have to press Ctrl plus P also to print your document. Now children, in the last we will do the revision of some shortcut keys. Children, to select all the text, you have to press Ctrl plus A key. Children, if you want to remove the word ball from here, then first of all you have to select it with the help of Ctrl A and then press Ctrl plus X key to cut it. If you want to copy the ball, then press again select ball with the help of Ctrl A, then press Ctrl plus C and then click anywhere where you want to paste it. Then press Ctrl plus V to paste your text here. Your text will come wherever you want your text to be. Now children, to want your text to be in bold letter, you have to press Ctrl plus B. Again you want your text in a simple letter, then again press Ctrl plus B. You want your text should become in italic letter, press Ctrl plus I. Want to underline your text, children? Press Ctrl plus U to underline your text. Children, if you want to close your word application, then press Alt plus F4 key to close your word application. Children, if you want to save your file, press Ctrl plus F, Ctrl plus S. If you have defined the file name, then also you have to press Ctrl plus S. And if you have not defined the file name, then press Ctrl plus S and then define the file name in the Save dialog box. Children, if you want to open a new file, if you want to open a new document, then press Ctrl plus N to open a new document. Children, if you want to open any previous file, any previous document which you have typed earlier, then press Ctrl plus O. When you will press Ctrl plus O, dialog box will appear here. Your file names will appear. Select your file which you want to open it. Click it and then click on the open option as I have told you in the practical also. Children, if you want to print your text, then you have to press Ctrl plus P to print your text. Hope children, you all have understood the function of shortcut keys. Thank you children.